It's Darviny and welcome back to my channel. So let's talk about the enjoyment of imperfection. Should I say that again? The enjoyment of imperfection. How great does that sound? Right? Let's celebrate that. Because the more perfect we try to be, the more imperfect we are, and that's the beauty of it. As you know, I love to cook my delicious potatoes and chicken dinners, and I also like to be raw until dinner time. And it's all about finding or trying to find that balance. But within that balance, there is a lot of imperfection, and let's celebrate that imperfection, because I'm all about celebrating the differences, but making it all work. So sometimes when I've maybe overindulged, or I've had a lot of friends over for dinner, and I've cooked my delicious, rich French dinners and meals, or I'm traveling in France and eating all those delicious, yummy foods, I come back, or I need a little bit of a kind of balance, and that's when I have those jump starters that I have for like maybe a 3-day to ditch the bloat, or a little bit of a 14-day or 7-day smoothie cleanse. But I always start as my favorite jump starter is what I call my Darwater. And Darwaters, I've got one for you right here. And Darwaters come in all different forms, but the best is to make them from home, right? You make them yourself. And these started when I was with my grandmother in her garden when I was in France as a little girl. We'd go to her garden, we'd pick the rosemary and the thyme and the verbena and the lemons from the tree and the fresh mint. There's all different types of mint. There's spearmint, peppermint, fresh mint, lemon mint, all these different types of mint. And she'd put them all in a big jug of water. And you know where they always drink the Evians and all those waters. So she'd bring a big jug of waters with some lemon from the tree and some limes and sometimes some fruit. And we drink that all day long in the hot summer France days. And as I started going over there with my family, I continued to make what I call Darwater. So you go to the garden and you pick the mints and the rosemary, whatever you want to put in there. And sometimes I also like to blend my teas. As you know, I love blending teas. And I blend my nighttime specials and my refreshing teas. So today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this Darwater as my jump starter. And this always helps me start off feeling refreshed and hydrating, because it's so important to hydrate. And sometimes when we're hydrating, water is really good, but sometimes a little bit extra in it. So in here I have a strawberry, I have some ginger, I have some rosemary, I've got some fresh mint, I've got a little thyme, I have some Clover Tea, I have some lemon balm tea, I have some Hibiscus Tea, I have some Rosehips Tea, I have some Zinger Tea, orange Zinger, lemon Zinger, tangerine Zinger, and berry Zinger. So that adds to the wonderful color. And then inside there, I like to add my own little tea. So if you see here, I've got the mints, the different types of mint, the lemon, and then as you know, as I blend my teas, in here I've got red clover. Now red clover is really great for you, so I put them in here and I just leave it in here all day. The red clover is really good if you're going through hormonal imbalances, and really good to help you with the hormones. And so clover is good for those little ladies that are getting a little bit older here, that want to balance their hormones, and also to have some digestive issues. With the hibiscus tea, where's my hibiscus, is really good for the high blood pressure, immune system, digestive issues, all those. So what I tend to do is in my Darwater is I tend to make a blend of them to maybe what I am feeling for that day, or if my guests are here, if they're too hot, or if someone tells me they're going through hormonal imbalances or some kind of hormonal issues, I'm like, well, I think you need some clover in your Darwater. Or if someone's having digestive issues, I'll always put ginger in there. Or immune balance, I'll put some hibiscus. And over the zingers are always really good for the vitamin C, and of course the lemon. So here we are, some Darwater, and it's delicious. So again, it's the enjoyment of being imperfect, because really when you think about it, there's no such thing as perfection. There's moments of perfection, there's moments of pinch me, but they're moments. The rest of the time is enjoying not being perfect, because that's where the beauty and the happiness lies. And that's it for today. Au revoir et à bientôt. It's Darviny and welcome back to my kitchen. I am going to help you make a very simple and easy summer or refreshing or hot weather salad. We are grilling tonight out on the porch, and we're going to be eating on the dock. So the easiest dinner to make is a easy carrot, apple, green apple, and cranberry salad, and it's delicious and refreshing, and goes with any kind of grilled meat, whether it be pork, beef, tofu, anything that's grilled will go delicious with this. And it's super easy to make. So ready? It takes really 3 minutes. You get the food processor out, take some carrots, put it in. I can't see. Here we go. I'll be quiet while this is going. So there we go, right? I put about a couple of carrots in there. Now I'm going to put the green apple. So the trick for the green apple to not turn brown is when you cut it, before you put it in there, you put some lemon on it. So I put some lemon on it right here while it's sitting, and it won't turn brown in the salad or anywhere else. So I'm going to put a couple of this in there. Here we go. And that'll stay that way because then I'm going to put lemon as well. Inside the dressing that I'm making, I'm also going to put lemon. That'll help keep the apple in its color without turning brown. Go, and then the final touch will be the cranberries and the dressing, the homemade dressing, a little bit of mustard in it, and lemon. It's going to be delicious. Et voila, that's it. That easy. Ay, 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 there we go. That goes in like this. Then we add the cranberries for color and taste. Mix it up. Look at that beautiful color. The green, the red, and the orange makes a beautiful summer color. And on that, we put a mustard vinaigrette. Grill that with anything. Et voilà, bon appétit. C'est tout. The enjoyment of imperfection. I love it.